Hello friends from Nigeria, welcome to this Facebook Live. My name is Carlos and I want to introduce myself. Thank you for being here in Nigeria. We are very excited about Omnilife starting in Nigeria. We already have a store in Lagos and we're going to be talking today about our products here in Lagos in Nigeria. And here with me is
Hi, my name is Consuelo. It's great to be connected with you through Facebook and this amazing tool that we can be kind of together or kind of more connected with you. And also we're going to be talking about the products in two special products.
the products that we're going to be talking about is the Biocross and the Starbien. We're going to be telling you the benefits of the products and we're going to be telling you how to use also the products. So basically the idea will be this.
This one is Biocross in Lagos. Here in America the name is Magnus, but in Lagos it's Biocross. It's the same thing, also almost the same packages. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open this box and as you see it's the same. Come together two little packages and I'm gonna mix it with water.
So the idea is grab a regular water bottle, make some room on the top to put the powder in there.
And you know it's powder, and the good thing is we can mix it with water and we want to have a really good juice, orange juice.
And then after that you just need to shake it and enjoy the product as a regular orange juice.
Oh yeah.
What's the benefits nowadays? You know, at the supermarkets you find a lot of options to get orange juices or even sodas, but what's the problem nowadays on these kind of liquids? That they have a lot of cane sugar, and the amounts of sugar that are really high, they are making problems in our health. So the good thing about the Biocross is that it has a lot of vitamins, and the vitamins can help you to get more energy. Who do we recommend Biocross?
Almost for everyone, even kids can drink it. And but it's most for people who work or who doesn't have energy during the day. So it's really good for everyone, pretty much.
So remember, people who work on construction, they can drink it.
And enjoy the flavor. If you wanna drink it with a cold water, however you want it.
And it tastes really good. Now, the other product that we have right now here is
Starbien. As the name would say, Starbien is to feel better, and also for the vitamins and minerals that it has. It's really good for the stress, or when we have a lot of the muscles so strong. We need it. We need this one.
And you know, the good thing about the Starbien is that also contains folic acid. The folic acid is well known for women that is pregnant. So it helps a lot to develop the embryo inside the woman, but also it comes in a powder presentation.
Yes, I'm gonna mix it right here.
And again, what you just need to do is make some room on the water bottle and then mix it with your water to make it like a regular juice.
And you can drink it just Starbien in a water, or you can mix it together with Biocross.
And what I'm gonna do right now for all of you is that remember that I put here the Biocross. I'm gonna mix it together with the Starbien. So Biocross and Starbien, it's gonna be good. Combine it, mix it at the same time in the same water bottle.
This is just Starbien, and here Carlos has already the two of this. Mix it, Biocross and Starbien.
And the Starbien also helps a lot on your stress levels. It helps a lot with your nervous system. So how many times a day can you drink the products?
Minimum, we said 3 times a day, but it depends on the people how they feel, if they need to more energy or be feeling better with the stress. You can drink it like 5 times a day. It depends.
And also remember that our products are total natural. They can be drinking for any person. It doesn't matter if they are taking prescriptions. They can use the products. So we want to thank you to be attending this Facebook Live to all of you. And remember, we're going to be sharing more with you. And Nigeria, it's a good opportunity for all of us to help people change their life in health and an economy.
Okay, thank you for being with us, and we want to be in touch with you.
We see you in the next Facebook Live.
Bye.